He crossed the road, then the world, and now the moon? The farm was quiet until the sky cracked open. A blue beam from the moon grabbed the rooster. Next thing he knew, he was standing on the moon. Something was hiding in the moon craters. Suddenly, weird moon chickens jumped out. They were protecting something and needed help. But then, a meteor storm was heading straight for them. Thinking fast, the rooster built a shield from moon rocks. One final feather flew up and stopped a meteor. The glowing egg cracked open, revealing a tiny version of the rooster himself.